everybody, and welcome to WorldTVOnDemand.com. Today we're playing Jackson Appliance Repair, and we're going to talk about the water valve on this machine here. So sometimes you'll have a wash machine and it'll fill up with water and then it'll pump the water right back out. Well, these machines have sensors on them and it senses the amount of water, and if it don't have the right amount of water, it just pumps it right back out. So there's a couple of things that can cause this. It can be a clogged line or it could be a bad water valve. So we're going to look at that. So to get to that, you're going to take these two screws out of this particular machine. You're going to take the console up. Have a little clip on it. Then you're going to pour your cabinet like this. Now your machine may be a little bit different, so just check that out. But what we're going after is this water valve. So I'm going to move the camera over here. So the water valve is right there, and we're going to check it out. Now on your machine it may be a little different, so we're going to come over here and we're going to do a little bit investigating here. So if you're having water problems, you want to go right here and take your hoses off, and if you look in here you can see all the crud that's in there. That will prevent the water from going into the wash machine and putting the right amount of water in it. Now you can try to scrape these out and clean these out, or either take them out and clean them out, and that should fix the problem. But if it don't fix the problem, then you got to replace that water valve. It's very easy to do. What you would do is you would make sure you have the power unplugged. You take these two connectors off, and they're color coordinated, so you know they go back just like that. Take this hose loose, take the one screw out, take that off, replace it, and put the other one in. So if you're having water level issues, or if the machine is filling up with water and then pumping it right back out, that is probably your problem. This is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com and my hacker friend over here, and I'm bringing you this great video with Jackson Appliance Repair Orlando, and that's how we fix that water issue with the washing machine. Make sure those screens are clean. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another video for you soon. This is the last video of the year, so Happy New Year, goodbye to 2018. And watch out 2019, because these guys are coming at you. Ha ha! We'll see you again soon.
Let's all say Merry Christmas. 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!
Well, Happy New Year. It's Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And Project Orego's always watching.
Happy New Year.
Well, hackers always watching.